The White House's Coronavirus Task Force will hold its daily news conference Wednesday afternoon to discuss response strategies as the nation confronts an increasingly grim week of record-high casualties and virus case counts.
President Donald Trump is expected to speak at the briefing, which will take place at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time in the White House's James S. Brady press room. The briefing will be available for live streaming via the White House's official website as well as its YouTube page, and C-SPAN will air it on TV.
The task force briefing will close another day of rising case counts and fatalities in the U.S. as of Wednesday afternoon. More than 400,000 people have tested positive for the virus nationwide, and at least 13,800 have died. According to a Johns Hopkins University tracker, 22,700 of those who were infected have recovered from the virus.
On Tuesday, the U.S. reported more deaths over a 24-hour period than it has in any other day since the start of the pandemic. According to Johns Hopkins University's data, 1,736 fatalities were confirmed nationwide from Monday to Tuesday. Previous data show that mortalities have climbed by roughly 1,000 a day since March 29.
Despite these statistics, Trump referenced a tremendous light at the end of the tunnel on several occasions during Tuesday's task force briefing. He also responded to statements shared to Twitter earlier in the day that raised concerns about the U.S. possibly retracting its funding to the World Health Organization. On Twitter, he claimed the WHO had provided his administration with faulty information about the pandemic months before and accused the organization of identifying the virus' widespread implications after it was too late.
For some reason, funded largely by the United States, yet very China-centric, Trump tweeted about the WHO. With regard to funding, he said, "We will be giving that a good look."
Later, during Tuesday's press conference, the president reiterated his accusations. They called it wrong, Trump said of the WHO, which declared the pandemic an international health emergency more than a month before he did the same in the U.S.
They missed the call, Trump continued on Tuesday, adding, "We're going to put a hold on money spent to the WHO. We're going to put a very powerful hold on it and we're going to see." However, when a reporter inquired about the statement later during Tuesday's briefing, the president said he was not necessarily going to do it.
As of Wednesday afternoon, coronavirus cases in the U.S. accounted for nearly 30% of the global total, with New York, New Jersey, Michigan, California, Louisiana and Pennsylvania among the states hardest hit. The country has also reported roughly 16% of coronavirus deaths worldwide, the third highest national total behind Italy and Spain.